In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add current date and time in a Microsoft Word document. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so to add a current date, go ahead and click the cursor where you want the date to be inserted or created or added, and then go to Insert. Now under Insert, go ahead and look for this option called Date and Time. It is here. If you click on it, we have an option for you to add a date and time. As you can see, we have various date formats that you can choose from. Go ahead and choose your preferred date format. For my case, I wish to choose this date format. I'll click on it and then go ahead and click on OK. By clicking on OK, this will automatically insert the current date. This is today's date. To insert the current time, it's also simple. Just go ahead and click where you want to insert the time and go to Insert, then go to Date and Time. And here you can see we have now time format that you can choose from. And as you can see, we also have an option to choose a combination of date and time altogether. But for my case, I only want time. So I'll choose the time format that I wish. I'll click on the first one. This is my preferred. You can also change the language if you so wish. You can also check this to update this automatically. Should you want this time and date to be updated automatically, go ahead and check this. From here, go ahead and click on OK. And this will automatically insert the current time. As you can see, this is the same time as shown on my computer here. So that's how you can insert current date and time in Microsoft Word. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.